Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Komodo Cruisin. I'm Junior. That's Komodo. So, I've been wanting to make this video for a minute. I purchased a fender delete kit. I got the TST Industries, and I'm gonna go ahead and start, taking this off, getting rid of it. I'm gonna show you guys really quickly what it looks like. All right, here's from the bottom. All right, and there it is right there. So it seems pretty simple. I was watching the video that's on I was watching the video that is on YouTube from TST and it seems pretty simple. I don't think it's anything crazy. You just take off the seat, take off a couple wires, and yeah, go to town. I think you need like an 8, a 10, and a couple hex Allen keys. So it's pretty. I think it's gonna be pretty easy. I'm gonna set you guys up here real quickly and start getting at it. You know what I mean? I think you guys are gonna like it. I think it's gonna look better. So I went with sort of an adjustable one. So kind of like it can be out, and then I could like flip it back down as well. I don't know why. I really like the undertow one, but I think in the state of Texas they don't allow that, and I really didn't want any problems, so I decided to go with this route instead. So yeah, let me go ahead and start knocking this out. All right, I'm gonna set you guys up real quick, get it going. Hopefully I get a good angle. About right there. I think that's gonna be good. All right, so first off, I'm gonna go ahead and take the seat off, as the video said. Alright, so the first thing that I did was kind of like remove the light here. It's just a little 10 millimeter bolt. I think the next thing is to take this cover off here and then unclip it. And then after you unclip it, you can pull it, start taking off the actual bracket, which is going to be like 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts. And then that's it. I don't even know if you can see there. That's not a good angle. Sorry about that, guys. But I think it's pretty easy. I don't think it's anything crazy. And I'll try to get as much of a good angle for you guys so you guys can see what's up. Alright? And let me change up my camera angle over here for you guys, so you guys can get a better view of what's going on. Alright. Alright. There we go. Alright. So far, it's pretty simple, nothing crazy. Pretty easy day. Alrighty. So, next thing that I'm doing, I've already taken off this bracket and at least the bolts. Now I'm going to take off the clips of the lights and start taking it off. Alright, so the other light. Alright, that's it. There we go. That piece is off. Put it off to the side for now. And figure this piece out. Alright, so I had to quickly go to AutoZone right next door and get this thread locker, medium strength. This was the only thing that was missing. So I went ahead and got that so I can go ahead and start. So the first thing that I'm supposed to do, according to the little video, is put this closeout bottom piece on the bottom here. Alright, and then put a little thread locker in them, and then tighten it up. So let's knock that out. One thing I noticed is there's two long ones, two short ones. Short ones go, I guess technically in the front. Long ones go in the back because I'm gonna go around the bracket or through the bracket.
I'll be back.
Alright, so I went ahead and installed the light right here, as you can see. And next thing, I'm gonna reroute the wire, which goes right through here. Get back my 10. Just tighten these up. Alright, now let's go on to the next step. Alright guys, so I ended up having to run an errand, and I just got back. I know it's dark. I'm gonna try to knock this out as quickly as possible. So I will say this wasn't as fast as I wanted it to be, and mainly because of this high mount bracket, because I got the adjustable one. Now, because I got the adjustable one, there's a lot of little hardware. Like, this is one piece, this back piece is one piece, this bracket to hold the OEM turn signals is another piece. And so it took a little bit to kind of figure it out. I think I got it all together. All I'm gonna do is just pass this through under the light, through the cover, and it has like little grooves to go through the cover. I'm gonna knock that out real quick, put this back together, tighten everything up, call it a day. All right, guys, so bear with me as I get this done. Alright, guys, so this is the little grooves I was talking about. So the wiring is going to go through this groove, and I'm trying to get some lighting in there, through this groove here, around the area where the keyhole is at, and through. Alright, so I'm going to knock this out real quick, put it together. Alright, guys, so I think I got it. I hope I got it. So here's what I did real quick. Alright, so I went ahead and added these 1, 2, 3, and 4 right there. And then now I just gotta clip it together, put the lights back on, and I'll be done. I will be done. Put it all back together. Looks good. Here's how it looks underneath. I think it looks good. I think it looks awesome. Alright, guys, let's keep going. Alrighty, guys, so we went ahead and finished the fender delete. Took a lot longer than I expected. Of course, it happens. had messed up. I crossed the two lights in the rear, the blinkers. I did one on the left and one on the right. When I went to test it out, it was wrong. Had to redo it again. It is what it is. Just kind of pay attention to those little details if you are doing this. It'll save you the time, trouble. But check it out. Final product. Let me know what you guys think. Looks much better, cleaner lines all around. I think it looks amazing. Here's a look from underneath. And yeah, no more big fat fender in the back. What do you guys think? Let me know what you think. That's it for me. And good night, guys. Komodo and I are out. Stay tuned, like and subscribe. You guys know the deal. Have a good night.